we are going to discuss about two more international courses. The number one course throughout the world in demand is called CMA US. What is CMA US? So Certified Management Accountancy US. It is, I'm going to discuss later on. So what is the role they can play? Huge role they can play. Within 6 months they can complete it. After completing +2, the degree is required. That's it. But here also the salary package is huge nature. Not only in India, in all MNCs, you are eligible to write. You are eligible to transfer to maybe US, Canada, Gulf countries. So you have a chance to work. Okay. So such a huge role. CMUS is a very easy paper to crack. 40 to 50% pass person throughout the world. Only two papers. Only two papers. In CS, CMA, CS, approximately you have 20-21 papers you're going to study. Okay. But here you're going to study only two papers. That's it. During BCom also you can study. After completing BCom also you can study. Those who want to start the career and complete the course at the earliest, CMU is ideal choice for them. Right. So now it is started by Institute of Management Accountant US. So it's a globally recognized. It's a globally recognized. Okay. Right. Here we are going to strong knowledge base in especially management accounting and financial management area is required. Highest earnings, the people are earning crores, they are earning crores in US markets. In Gulf countries they are earning. In all MNCs India, the huge package they are offering. So the main advantage is two parts, normally called two paper. There are subdivisions also available, but two parts. Single level examination, objective paper. You can write the examination in India itself. In Chennai, in Kodambakkam, you can write. Similarly, a lot of centers, Prometric centers available. You can write the paper. There's a purely online examination. 3 exam windows per year available. The exam windows means during January, February, you can write. May, June, you can write. September, October, you can write. 3 windows available. That's it. In short, within 3 months, you can write the paper. That's it. Suppose January started, May, you can write the exam. That's it. Either 2 papers also at a stretch you can write. One day, one exam, another day, another exam you can write. That's it. So the logic is within 6 months you can complete. Shortest course, highest value globally. We used to call CMA India, no. The same profession, here CMA US. That's it. There it's going to be cost and management accounting. Here it's going to be certified management accounting US. Right. So what role the CMA can play in India? Right. Not only in India, in all MNCs, globally. Right. So they are the very important people when it comes to decision making process of the organization. Right. So they have a many titles they are having. So they may play the role of financial analyst, whether the affairs the company in the right direction or wrong, they can analyze the financial reports. Cost account role they can play, business analyst, corporate accountant, internal audit department also they can go and work, treasury department, government role, treasury department, controller of finance, vice president finance, chief financial officer, just like that go on. There are a lot of roles available for a CMA. It's called certified management accountant. Right. So what is the eligibility for to become a CMA? Certified US. Right. Normally after completing +2 you can enroll, but bachelor's degree required and 2 years of experience required, especially in the management accounting and financial management domain. So you can complete the degree within 7 years. After completing, I think within 7 years, once you cleared CMA, you CMA US 2 papers you completed, but within 7 years you have to complete your degree. So degree is a requirement, degree and 2 years experience. But after completing you can write, or after BCom you completing you can write, but 2 years of experience required, 3 years degree required. That's it. If already having 2 years experience, you already having a 3 years, so you can enroll within 6 months. That's it. You can get a membership. For this you have to pay membership fees. So then you will become a member of the IMA Institute. Right. So I'm just going to elaborate what are the parts available. There are 2 papers they used to call part 1 and part 2. In part 1, so financial planning, performance analytics. The first one is called financial reporting. Here they're going to study about cash flow statement, inventory management, so balance sheet, those areas they're going to discuss it. 15% weightage. The second part is called planning, budgeting, forecasting area. So every company they need to have planning department, budgeting, forecasting. No, so they need not spend, they need budget allocation. So those areas they're going to study. So BCom students they already study in the paper, in the BCom itself. Right. So 20% weightage. Performance management is supposed to be 20%. So purely for industry oriented here, this portion also they included. The cost management tools are available 15%, internal control 5%, and technology analytics is going to be 15%. So altogether, this paper part 1 only single paper we used to call paper 1. So they used to call part 1. That's it. Similarly, in part 2 or paper 2, the another paper is called strategy financial management. Here also we can study about statement analysis, cash flow statement. They're going to study here, ratio analysis. So working capital. So whatever you studied, you BCom or in CA, almost you cover the paper. The corporate finance is the another area, huge scope available. What is corporate finance? How the corporates are raising the funds. So that's the corporate finance area, right? So the percentage is a 20%, they keep it here, right? Similarly, the addition analysis, 20% weightage. In risk management area, there's a huge scope available for risk, operating risk, financial risk, management risk. So a lot of risk, financial risk available. So those areas also there is scope available for go for practice. And investment decision. So the company raise the funds, whether to invest now or later or never. So those decisions they have to take. So that's why it's very important topic. 10% weightage. That's called internal rate of return. So capital budgeting process they're going to study here. And the 15% weightage is given to professional ethics. So it's ethics is a common portion any level of examination. Ethics. So professional ethics code also available. Right. How the examination pattern of CMA exam pattern. Right. So it's a 4-hour examination. So globally, you can write the examination in online mode. The examination centers are called Prometric center. They used to call Prometric centers, right? Here, first 3 hours, part 1, paper 1, first 3 hours until multiple choice questions will be tested. So then, right, then each and every question they have a 4 option. Each and 4 option, only one option you have to select. Only one option you have to select. No negative marks. So after 3 hours, 100 MCQ attempted, 50% you scored in 100 MCQ. Okay, so then only you will be promoted to next 1 hour examination. 2 essay questions. That too also MCQ. It's a simulated model. So case study will be given. So based on the case study, you have to give a solution for this. Right? That is also MCQ pattern only. Case study with MCQ. That's it. So altogether, first 3 hours 100 marks MCQs. Next 1 hour 2 essay with MCQ. Scenario based or simulated they used to call. Right. So here also the thing is first 3 hours 50% you cleared, 50% marks you scored. So then only automatically you are eligible to write the second part, the second 1 hour. Suppose imagine you are not scoring 50% here, you are not supposed to be promoted this exam, this part. The next 1 hour you are not supposed to write, which means immediately you come to know, which means 50%, minimum 50% you have to score. So next 1 hour you are permitted. That's it. Here the maximum marks 500, 360 marks required, almost 72%. If we take percentage, 360 out of 500, 72% is required to pass CMA examination. So 2 paper, 4 hours 1 paper, 4 hours another 1 paper. So MCQ model, online, no negative. So lot of scope available. Engineers are joining this profession. CA people also joining, because we're just going to MNC level. Lot of American companies are going to invest in India. Okay, Apple also there is a data shows in Economic Times yesterday. Okay, so Apple company going to invest in India 7,000 crores. Lots of at least 2,000 companies are moving from China to India, which means American investment are coming to India. So there are more scope for CMA people in India. So what is the global salary picture? Right, that is in terms of dollars. Approximately you can take $1 is equal to 72 or 71 you can take. Right. So these are package in all countries. Approximate figure estimate is an estimation, rough figures only. So 60,000 K, 60K or $60,000. So they're getting here. In America they're getting approximately $1,20,000. In Indian rupee, it's supposed to be comes around 72 lakhs or 80 lakhs per annum. In Asia also almost 40,000 K, 40K dollars they are having. In Europe also $80,000 they are having maximum salary, and minimum will differ. In Middle East and Africa, this is called MENA region. So there are a lot of opportunity available. So scope is a huge, salary package huge. Okay, there are a lot of students enrolling CMUs. The thing is, within 6 months you can score. You can complete the course, immediately you can settle. That's it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Style Digitech and press the bell icon to see new videos.